Can I sit on this side?
Yeah, no.
This side?
Go.
It goes whoop, whoop, whoop. Is it a fire car?
No.
Police car? Is it a police car?
Yeah.
Whoa. Can you drive it?
No.
No? Oh, sorry. This is the only way that I can sit on top
Hey,
here.
Bubba, do you want to show what that does? Is that pretty cool? What are we on, my love? Wanna shh. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Yeah, Mom.
It's a beautiful, beautiful moon.
Go. No, Mama. I am.
You watching your cat in the house?
No, eat, Mom.
Wow. You're so impressive, Bubba. Don't worry, I'm cropping you out of this, but I want evidence of him walking on this for the first time. It's funny.
That's scary, but it's fun.
Yeah.
Mama.
How are you doing over there?
No, Mama.
I have to go on the stairs?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, love.
Please, Mama.
Yeah, you really think so?
Yeah.
Okay. I just wanted to encourage you all too, if you haven't already, go check out Milkosaurus on Amazon. It's my breastfeeding guide. It's a great guide from preparing to breastfeed in pregnancy to full-term extended breastfeeding with toddlers. It just kind of covers all your bases really simply, easily, quickly. It's not a book that is so filled with facts and figures that you don't know where to start or where to go to. Yes. Goodness. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Where are we going? I'm gonna go to the choo-choo zone. I think so. Let's go. Let's see what happens. Is it? Are you finding more of the balls?